In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync reminders with Microsoft To-do. By the end, you'll know how to turn important emails into actionable tasks and make sure anything you create in Outlook shows up in Microsoft To-do automatically. First, open Microsoft Outlook. You can use the desktop app or the web version, whichever you prefer. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in with the same Microsoft account you use for Microsoft To-do. That's what enables everything to sync behind the scenes. Next, pick an email that needs follow-up. Maybe it's a request, a deadline, or something you don't want to forget. Right-click the message to open the context menu. This is the quickest way to access message options without opening a bunch of windows. From that menu, click Flag. Depending on your view, you might see follow-up with options like today, tomorrow, or this week. Choosing one of these gives the task a time frame right away. If you prefer, you can simply flag it without a date and decide later. The key is that flagging tells Outlook this email is a task. Once it's flagged, Outlook automatically turns that email into a task that appears in Microsoft To Do under the flagged email list. You don't have to copy and paste anything. The subject becomes the task title, and the email content is available so you have context when you're ready to act. If you open Microsoft To Do, you'll see it there. Sync is usually quick, but give it a moment if it doesn't appear immediately. Marking it complete in Microsoft To Do will clear the flag in Outlook, and clearing the flag in Outlook will mark it complete in To Do, so you can work from whichever app you prefer. You can also create a brand new task directly in Outlook, and it will automatically sync with Microsoft To Do as long as you're using the same account. Add a title, due date, and any notes you need. That task will show up in To Do under your tasks or the list you chose, and updates you make in either place will carry over. If you're offline, changes will sync the next time you reconnect. That's it. Open Outlook, right-click an email to flag it, and your flagged messages flow straight into Microsoft To Do. And any new task you create in Outlook is mirrored in To Do automatically. Keep both apps signed into the same account, give sync a few moments when needed, and you'll have a reliable, unified reminder system across your devices.